Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Topic po natin ngayon ay paano maging School Principal 1 sa panahon ngayon. Ito, share ko po yung basis and prerequisite for classification of school principal positions. Ito ay para sa elementary, junior high school at saka senior high school. Ito po. Bali, yung pwede lang maging Principal 1 ay yung Master Teacher 1 or Master Teacher 2. Or pwede rin yung Assistant School Principal 1, Assistant School Principal 2, Head Teacher 1 to Head Teacher 6. Itong Assistant School Principal 1 to Head Teacher 6 ay ito po ay for the 3-year transition period lang, from this year, then 3 years from now. Yun lang yung po pwede na maging school principal 1. Tapos ito po yung QS. So sa education, dapat master's degree in education or educational management or educational leadership. Or pwede ring master's degree in relevant learning area. Pero meron kang at least 9 units in management. Tapos yung training ay meron kang 32 hours of training in any of or a cumulative of the following: curriculum, pedagogy, school management, and operations, instructional leadership acquired within the last 5 years. Tapos yung experience ay 5-year teaching experience and 1-year relevant experience in any of the following: learning area coordination, subject area supervision, school management and operations, at saka instructional supervision. So, for the case of master teacher's experience, ay pasok po tayo dito sa instructional supervision. Kung naka 1 year ka na dyan. Then, eligibility. Sandali. Yung sa experience ay 1 year relevant experience in any of the following. In any of the following. So, okay lang po. Kasi, hindi po lahat ng master teacher ay subject area chairman. Kaya medyo ko doon na ito. Then, sa eligibility, siyempre, licensed professional teacher, license siya. At saka, siyempre, updated yung license. Tapos, school head, So, for the school head assessment, ay dapat ay may principal test or national qualifying examination for school head, yung English passer or its equivalent. So, yan lang po ay sa sa prerequisite na classification. Dadaan pa po tayo dyan sa comparative assessment, yung mga documents. So yun yung klaro, Bali yung mga magiging principal 1 na ay ito ng mga master teacher 1 pataas. Ito naman, kung gusto nyo magpa-reclass to school principal 2. Halimbawa, pwede na yung master teacher 2, master teacher 3, school principal 1 or assistant school principal 3. Pwede nang dumiretso sa pagiging school principal 2. Pero yung assistant school principal 3 ay yung assistant school principal 3 ay sa 3-year transition period lang silang allowed magpa-reclass to school principal 2. Ano ba ang qualification? Yung QS. Ayan, merong master's degree in education, educational management, or educational leadership. Or kung hindi, master's degree in relevant learning area pero dapat merong 12 units in management. Tapos sa training ay merong 32 hours of training, sa mga sa mga training na ganito. Curriculum, pedagogy, school management and operations, instructional leadership acquired within the last 5 years. Sa experience ay dapat nagturo ng 5 taon at saka mayroong 2 taon na experience in school management and operations. Ibig sabihin yan, nakapag school head ka na dyan, no? Then eligibility ay yung license, yung licensed or professional teacher. Siyempre, yung document dyan ay updated yung PRC natin. Sa qualifying examination, ganun din, principal test at saka in-quiz. Then sa school principal 3, mga ka-Jesnabs, basahin nyo na lang po yung mga QS at saka yung sa qualifying examination ay in-quiz din. Okay? Then ito para sa school principal 4, pwede si master teacher 4 or school principal 3 at saka si master teacher 5 maging school principal 4. So andyan na rin yung QS tapos in-quiz dapat siya, no? Yan. Ito, school principal 4 din naman ito.